Mabolo Elementary School, North District 4, CI Project. Read pa more, frustration no more. With the help of the Division CI coaches and the City Central Elementary School CI coaches, the Mabolo Elementary School CI team was organized. Where are we now? Before. 14 out of 30 Grade 1 Virtue pupils are non-readers in MTB-MLE on the first oral reading verification test conducted last January 7, 2021. After the program implementation, the 14 non-readers of Grade 1 Virtue on the first oral reading verification test become readers on the second exposure conducted last May 3 to 7, 2021. Where were we before? There are 139 non-readers out of 405 enrollees in Grade 1 for the school year 2020-2021. 14 of them are from Section Virtue, based on the oral reading verification test result in MTB-MLE first exposure last January 7, 2021. Our focus problem: 14 out of 30 Grade 1 Virtue pupils are non-readers in MTB-MLE, in contrast to the DepEd regulation requiring 100% of the Grade 1 pupils as readers at the end of the school year. Voice of the stakeholders. From the data gathered, available materials at home: 14 pupils have smartphones, laptop, or PC. 1 has storybook. 14 have teacher-made reading materials. Number of times they practice reading: 3 out of 14 once a week, 2 out of 14 twice a week, 9 out of 14 do not practice reading at all. Learners' activities at home: 7 out of 14 learners played internet games, 5 out of 14 learners watched TV, 2 out of 14 learners read books or SLMs. The reading ability: 14 non-readers. What did we do? In the actual online reading remediation process conducted by the teacher, we observed the following. Some pupils are late. The preliminary activities presented were too long. Sounds of letters were not introduced before presenting syllables to read. Syllables introduced were not the basis on the new words built. The words in the reading passage given are not taken from the syllables and words taught during the practice. For the assignment, the teacher did not give specific topic or reading material to read. How did we do it? To help our target learners get over their frustrations in their academic performance in school, we developed this solution. Today a reader, happy forever. This is a 20-day reading program which aims to help the non-readers become literate. The teacher will conduct a virtual reading remediation to the target learners using the alphabet of Sinubuanong Binisaya. Each day, a new letter sound will be taught. Letters will be used to form syllables. Syllables to build new words, and words to make a story. And pilot testing was conducted on May 3 to 7, 2021. Result: the 14 non-readers become readers. Then we have our rollout phase to Grade 1 FATE with 7 non-readers in MTB-MLE on the second exposure of ORVT. We started from May 10 to June 3. They become 100% readers at the end of the cycle. Lessons learned: first, ensure that new teachers in Grade 1 are well-versed or have undergone trainings in beginning reading. Next, proven effective teachers in Grade 1 must stay in the grade level unless promoted. Next, teaching materials must be updated regularly. based on the needs of the learners. And master teachers who are curriculum experts must focus on the monitoring of the reading development of the primary learners and mentor or coach teachers who need technical assistance.